Hey guys and gals of YouTube, it's Robert. I thought I'd do a kind of a different video. If you're like me and you're into RC stuff in general, planes, cars, trucks, crawlers, things like that, and you're shooting videos and you're uploading them to YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, places like that, let me show you a better way to get more impressive video. And as you guys know, I'm an extremely tall person, so if I were to shoot a video, and I'm going to show you a car here, I'm going to use this as an example, a little four-wheel drive crawler from Axle. So if I'm shooting this video, and I'm going to put my car here down on the ground here. So if I'm walking around shooting my Capra as I'm driving it with my GoPro like this, and a lot of people do this, that's great and everything like that. But again, since I'm an extremely tall person, it's going to make everything that I shoot with this video look like a drone's following my car, and my car is going to be a little car down in the distance. And on YouTube, that doesn't actually show up very well because people don't want to watch the little dot. They want to actually see the car doing what it's doing up close and personal. So let me show you what I recommend to do instead of doing it this way. Since you already have your GoPro in a monopod, what you want to do, honestly, and this is going to make your videos look so much better, and I'll show you an example at the end of the video. What you guys want to do is, you'll see here what I did is I have my GoPro on my monopod and I have it extended bottom of my monopod down towards the ground. So when I'm recording my car, I'm getting actually like a ground view of my car. And this is going to give you a lot better perspective because it's going to look like you are the same perspective as the car. So when you're driving around outside, it's going to look like you're like actually in another car or on a camera like that's down at the car's level. So when you're crawling around or driving around, it's going to give you way better detail. It's going to give you way better shots. And I will show you some examples in this video here. I'm going to first show you an example of the video where I was filming the video with the camera at about the same height level as the controller pointing at the ground, and the car looks very, very small. And then I'll show you the same video where I'm doing the trick that I'm showing you here, where I have the camera on the monopod and I have the camera down towards the ground, so you're actually getting a closer view of the car as it's doing its thing. And this kind of video I think is going to be way more presentable on social media, YouTube, Instagram. So sit back and watch the clips here and tell me what you think in the comments. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so now. I'm going to start doing a lot more tips and tricks videos like this that have to do with filming and how to get the best shots using either a camera on a monopod or a GoPro that I use on mine, so you guys can bump up your video game. So let's get into that video. So this is an example of shooting from above. I'm using my controller in one hand and I'm filming the car with my GoPro in the other hand. The car looks small. You don't really get any perspective of the car because I'm shooting from above. As I said before, it looks like a drone shot. So it's okay for some shots, but let me show you the preferred method that I like to use to give you a lot more perspective of the car. So now with the camera down towards the ground and following the car, you'll notice that the perspective is more lifelike and it makes the truck look more scale, and it gives you a lot better detail. So it looks like you're actually following the car with another car, and this will make your videos actually that much better for social media so people can see the quality and the detail of the car. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and then also click on the little bell notification so when I upload videos like this, you will be notified.